You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.